I hope you're excited as I am about Steemit, and I've only been able to cover the tip of the iceberg when it comes to Steemit. So if you have any other questions about it, I highly recommend you go to their FAQ section, or frequently asked questions section, on their website. I'm not sure if you could access it if you don't have an account, but go there and they have a lot of information. But for now, let's talk about how to be successful on Steemit. And it's just like any other business. You have to be persistent, and try to add value. Okay, try to learn as much as you can too about the platform. And when you first get started, comment on other people's posts so people can start becoming aware of you. And if you can, try to post every day, because this is one thing that I've noticed about people who are making a living on Steemit, people who have been able to quit their jobs. And what they do is they just post every day and are consistent. So you should try to be consistent on this network if you would like to be successful on it. Okay, and try to post high quality content. Okay, and try to be yourself, and put a lot of effort also into your introductory video. I noticed that a lot of people do not have introductory videos on Steemit, but it's something that you should make, because people are always looking for new people on Steemit. And there's what you call whales. Whales are what you call people who have big Steemit accounts. And they're always looking for new people, and they'll even upvote you if they like your post and give you lots of Steem dollars, because they'll want you to stay on the network. Okay, you should also know who your target audience is and try to make a connection with people. Don't just ask people to follow you. Don't say, hey, I'll follow you if you follow me. Okay, and as you make more friends, you'll have more people upvoting your posts, which will translate into more money. Okay, and lastly, you should, if you can, invest into some Steem tokens with your own money. So then you'll have a vested interest in the value of the company to go up, and your perspective will change, and you'll post more high quality content. It's almost like when you have shares in a company, you're going to have a vested interest in the value of that company going up.